Hope everybody's okay. Today we're gonna make delicious almond croissant with less sugar. That's what I get when I usually go to the bakery, if I'm not making them. Of course. Now let's follow the recipe with all croissant that we made yesterday and all the ingredients that we need. If you want the recipe, check my YouTube channel. Let's start by working the butter into a creamy consistency. Ooh, that's hard. Much better. Follow by adding the sugar and whisk for about 2 minutes. Oops, I transferred to the stand mixer because it's way easier. Let's add the almond powder until well combined. Of course, all of it. Do not overmix or it's gonna spill later on. Now it's time for the eggs. Let's add one at a time to have a silky consistency. Follow by adding the cream and mix well until all the liquid is incorporated. Of course, you can add your flavoring. It can be vanilla or orange. Your choice. Now let's cover and put in the refrigerator. Keeping in the cold will make it harder. That's what we want. Now we're gonna prep our croissant by cutting them in half. Be careful, not all the way through. And we're gonna follow by dipping the croissant in the vanilla water to make them less dry, and don't forget to remove the excess dripping. If you're using fresh croissant, please skip this step. Now let's take our refrigerated almond cream and put in a piping bag. Pipe the almond cream inside each croissant, close them, and brush a little cream on the outside so that it can help glue the almonds. I mean sliced almond. I'm human, right? We need about 200 grams of sliced almonds. Set our oven at 365 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes. Now we're ready to bake. Oof, the hard part is finished. When they're ready, let's stand until completely cool. It's time to sprinkle our almond croissant. Yummy, yummy. They are ready! The recipe is now finished. I hope you liked it. And if you make some almond croissant, please send me the picture or tag me. See you later for more videos. Bye! Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to your channel.